Welcome to our lesson on sets and Venn diagrams. Let's explore a past question from the WASSCE exam in 2010. In a class of 31 students, 16 of them play football. 12 students play table tennis. This prepares us for the next step. 5 students play both games. Now, let's find out how many students play at least one game. Next, we need to determine how many students play none of the games. First, we need to define our sets. Let F represent football and T represent table tennis. Now, let's summarize the given information. We know there are 31 students in total, 16 play football, 12 play table tennis, and 5 play both. This line says in U equals 31. This line says in F equals 16. This line says in T equals 12. This line says in FT equals 5. We draw two overlapping circles since some students participate in both games. The overlap shows that 5 students play both football and table tennis. 5 students play both football and table tennis, so 5 goes in the overlap. Let's find out how many students play only football. To find football only, we subtract those who play both from the total football players. This line says F only equals N F minus N FT equals 16 minus 5. Equals 11. Football only refers to students in F, but not in T. Football only means those in backslash, F backslash, but not in backslash, T backslash. Now, let's find out how many students play only table tennis. To find table tennis only, we subtract those who play both from the total table tennis players. This line says T only equals NT minus NFT equals 12 minus 5. Equals 7. Table tennis only refers to students in T, but not in F. Table tennis only means those in backslash, T backslash, but not in backslash, F backslash. Now, the regions inside the two circles are fully defined. Now the regions inside the two circles are complete. If you find this explanation helpful, please subscribe for more math solutions. At least one game means a student plays either football, table tennis, or both. Using the inclusion-exclusion principle, we can calculate the total for at least one game. This line says N FT equals N F plus N T minus N FT equals 16 plus 12 minus 5. Equals 23. At least one game includes students who play football, table tennis, or both. At least one means the student plays football, table tennis, or both. So, we find that 23 students play at least one game. None means students who are outside both circles. We can use a formula to find out how many play none of the games. Now, we calculate the number of students who play none of the games. This line says n ft complement equals n minus n ft equals 31 minus 23. Equals 8. This method gives us the same answer directly. This line says n ft complement equals n minus nf minus nt plus nft equals 31 minus 16 minus 12 plus 5. Equals 8. Eight students do not participate in either of the two games. 8 students do not play any of the two games. This completes our Venn diagram. In conclusion, 23 students play at least one game, while 8 play none. Don't forget to subscribe for more math content. In conclusion, 23 students play at least one game, while 8 play none.